Hiya, it's Renny from Renny Creative. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to do the word cloud again, but this time I will do a proper longer version. So if you didn't understand before, then because of the short one, then actually now I will show you step by step properly how to do the steps, how to do colors and the backgrounds and the wording and everything. So actually you will see. So if you want to follow me along, then feel free to do that. So let's dive into the topic now. Hiya, so welcome back. So let's do that, the word cloud. Okay. So what you want to do first, you want to go to the wordclouds.com first of all, and once you're there, so it's up to you. I will show you today how to do when with the shapes is already there on the side, and other times if you would like to know how to do when you have your own design, just please let me know in the comment below, and I will do that kind of video as well. But today I will just stick to the shape, but it's already here on the side. So I will go with the shape, and I will now look for the bus, because I found a really good design. It seems at the moment it's a low competition, so I just show you which one. So actually is just a boy who loves a school bus or school buses. Yes, I won't do the design itself today, I just will show you the word cloud. So yes, just a boy who loves school buses, and is about 664 results. So I will do that one today. And when I look for bus, there are like more option. There is like this bus, and I saw another one as well. So I show you. So this actually it shows it's a school bus, but I like this one for now. So I will just go with this one, and just waiting until it's just shows like a defaulted words as well. So we're just waiting for that. It's a little bit takes time. Yes, as you can see, so these words is already actually there. So what you would like to do with this one, you have the option here next to the shape is word list. So you have more option. You can import from CSV file when you actually do it in an Excel, or you do in a Google sheet, and you save as a CSV file. So and you import actually from that one, or you can do from text or PDF document, or from Office document, or from web page. So what I will do, I will extract for words from text. So this is what I will do, and as you can see, this is the place, then you can actually paste your text. So I just did notepad. So if you would like to do with the notepad, you just, if you are on PC, you just here, I'm not sure if I can see properly, so here down, type here to search, so you just go notepad, and is already here for me. So you just want to click open. I won't do that now because it's already opened for me. So I have this one. I already prepared with some words, so I will do with those ones. So what I gonna do, I will just take from here. So with Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and as you can see is all there. So actually the more words you have, the better, because it looks nicer if you have more words there. So what you would like to do, you would like to press apply, and also just waiting for now, but you would like to Yeah, because you can see just a few words. And you know why? Because you can see, excuse me, you can see auto fit, and is already like, is blue, so it's already working. So you want to click underneath, there is a repeat word, so you want to click there. And now, because you apply that one, as you can see now, all the words is actually coming to our design, so we can see now, so it looks better now than it was before. Okay, so let's have a look, but we're not done just yet, so I think it's getting better now. So what you would like to do, you would like to go to colors here, so click on colors, and so as you can see, I'm just going down for now because I would like to show you. As you can see here, but actually I just close so you can see better. So here is our bus. Our bus is here, but here is the transparent background. But this side there is no transparent background, which is actually not good for us, because when you would like to upload to our design to a product, and it will be this white background, it won't look nice. So actually you would like to go with a transparent background, but with all behind the bus, so it needs to be all of them transparent background. So to do that, you would like to, so I go back now the colors and I show you. So this one, it shows the background and the mask color. You would like to click this transparent version, and you would like to change that one. So this one will be the, let me just think. Yes, this one will be the bus color. Yes. So let's go with the yellow. Actually, we go here the black. Yes. So you want to click here in the black one, and we want to go with the yellow bus. So click OK. And now we want to go with this one. This one, the left hand side will be the transparent background. And just want to make sure. Yes, now it seems it will be okay. So now, because we changed, before we going to the apply, actually I just move myself so I can show you. So if for the yellow, actually quite a lot of color, it looks nice, but this one, just when you press clear, then actually you will see this X. So I think I will stick to the red, it's fine. The blue, I would like something a little bit like more, actually I'm going for the darker one. Yeah. Excuse me. So yes, actually this one looks nicer, so okay. And also I'm going with, I would like to go with the white one. You haven't seen, but next to here, I don't know if you see clearly, but next to this beige color there is a white, so I just click the white one and click OK. And now actually you can, if you're happy with your choice of the colors, then what you can do, you can actually go apply. And as you can see, I don't know how much you can see for now just yet, is everything is getting like better, and the looks is going together now, so it's very exciting. Yeah, you can see it's still working, so I'm so excited. Are you? Okay, so you want to close. Are you ready for this? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so close. Look how cool, we have our yellow bus. It looks really nice, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you like it. If you like it, just leave in the comment below yes. And if you know more about this, how you can do this better, just please let me know, because as I mentioned, I taught myself as well not long time ago. So if someone professional in this, just please let me know, and if you have any idea, I'm open for this. Okay, so once you're done, what you want to do is actually, so I can just move myself. As you can see, once you're done, you can see here is Control S, download Wordcloud, JPEG or PNG. So you want to press Control S, and now you will, actually I'm just waiting because it should show for me. 1 second. Because it should show, then actually is, so once you press the Control S, then actually it should show like, you know, it's a window pop up, and you can actually save. So I'm just waiting for that window. Somehow it doesn't happen just yet. Oh, okay, now. Okay, I done something then, maybe. Okay, so just put school. Oh, it's funny. Okay, so I just put school bus for now, and as you can see, I will choose PNG, and now it's changing PNG. So now you can press save, and once it's saved, as you can see, the pop-up window came up. So save file, and you press OK. Okay, so once it's done, then actually what you would like to do, so I show you something. So I will go to Canva, and if you use a different one, then you can use a different one, different software for your designing. But I would like to show you something, because when this design is downloaded, then actually is smaller. So I just show you what to do quickly. So actually you will know. If you are in Canva, then you can do in Canva. You can just follow me along. And I'm just looking for, yeah, I need to move myself, that's why I couldn't find it. So custom size, and you go with this one, the 4500 times 5400 pixels, and you click on there. And now what we would like to do, we would like to go with uploads. I'm just waiting. Okay, so we would like to go with uploads now, and upload media. I'm just waiting. Okay, so I'm just going to the downloads for now, as actually is here already. So school bus, so just clicking there and just waiting. So as you can see, is actually is uploading. So okay, so it's done. So once it's done, then as you can see, it's quite small. So just move myself a little bit so you can see. Or here. Okay, so it's quite small. So what you would like to do, you want to put a little bit bigger. And it's up to you. If you would like to put any text, then you know it's just it's better if you know the size is quite big, but just leave a place for space for your text as well, of course. But for now, I won't do any text. I just leave as it is. So now, as you can see, it's actually done. So what you would like to do, I just write here school bus, and you would like to upload, download, and you would like to do is a PNG, so leave as a PNG. You would like to do transparent background, and you would like to download now. And once it's done, I just show you in a minute, so you can see how it looks like. Okay, so it's save file again, and I will show you. So I just move myself, and I show you how it went. I'm not sure might is this one, I think. You will see. And okay, so I think it's nearly okay. Are you ready? Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, in a minute. Okay, nearly there. Still waiting. Okay, so we're done. I don't know why it's, yeah, now it's okay. It's sharp. It was a little bit blurry, but ta-dam! So our bus is done. I think it's really cool. I don't know what you think. If you really like it, then just leave in the comment below. And if you liked this so far, then just give me a like, a thumbs up. It would be really appreciated. And also, if you like these similar videos related to print on demand and designing, and follow along my journey, then please subscribe to my channel. It would be really nice from you, and also it helps me out helps out my channel, and also with the algorithm. So that's it from me today. I hope you loved it, and see you in the next one.